ahead.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Your name is called. Please unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Is Mr. Reynolds is still in the breakout room. Let me see if I can bring him out. If not, you might have to go back and get him, Mr. McGuire.
Here, I'm texting with him. I'll text him to leave the breakout room.
Okay, he's out. Yeah. All right.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Okay, this is the People versus Marcus Reynolds, ticket number P1096480. Count 1, drove by license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1250430. Count 1, drove by license not valid or improper. Ticket number 0538588. Count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number P1096479. Count 1. Oh, that is actually in the phone. And he already owes like $306 on that one. Ticket number 08484-767. Count 1. I can't read this handwriting. Something about a valid driver's license.
Yeah, I believe it's a failure to display
Yeah.
and then a count of driving an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, yes, it's count 2 is unregistered motor vehicle. Thank you. Ticket number 15410-865. Count 1, drive while license not valid, and count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 09437-372. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. That was count 1. Count 2, unregistered vehicle, and count 3, uninsured vehicle. And that's it. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney McGuire.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joe McGuire, P75571, appearing on behalf of defendant Marcus Reynolds.
Mr. Reynolds, can you unmute yourself? State your name for the record, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Marcus Reynolds for the record.
All right, Mr. McGuire, there is an offer of your client pleading with guilty to ticket number ending in 480 to counts 1 and 2, and then dismissing everything else. Does your client wish to avail himself of that offer?
Yes, Your Honor, and as I understand it, 480 count 1 will be for failure to display, and 4802 would be for improper plate. We would agree to that offer.
Okay, yes, you are correct in that. With that, Mr. Reynolds, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. McGuire, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 9th, 2020 at approximately 12:03 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Grand River and Hubble in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2012 Buick vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And was your license improper or invalid?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. McGuire?
Yes, Your Honor, as long as the charges we're pleading to are the two we discussed. Yep.
Yes, of course. The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the count to fail to display and improper plate. We will proceed to, you also stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts or tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
Okay, so those matters are all dismissed without prejudice. We're going to proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of, I'm gonna do a fine of $300 for count one, and then I'll waive the fee for count two.
Thank you, Your
Yes,
Honor.
ma'am.
So can you have the 300 paid by August 16th?
I sure can, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, so what do I do? How do I get the information? Do I just come down there to like 36th district and give them my social or something and they pull the stuff right up, or what? How do I?
I can help you out there, Mr. Reynolds. We just need to give him the ticket numbers, and I have those. And
Okay.
you could, there's a couple different ways you can pay, so
You
I'll
can
help you
also
out.
do it online. You can do it
Right.
online,
Mhm.
or
Yeah,
you can call.
Okay, cool. That's fine.
You want the phone number?
No, I know the phone number to 36th district.
No, this is the phone number to make a payment by phone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me get the ink pen for that. I got a question, another question. So, okay, so after I paid the fine and stuff, what do? I take the receipt or something to Secretary of State or something, or how do that work?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can help you out.
Yeah, he'll help
Okay.
you with that, because there still may be other costs that you have to pay, and you still owe on the civil infraction. I know you do owe $306 on that, and
Yeah,
then you may have to pay some reinstatement fees.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll talk to you about it, Mr.
So I'll talk to your lawyer.
Okay.
Okay, this is the people versus. We have Ms. Dawkins. Were you ready, Ms. Dawkins, Ms. Carver? You're muted, Ms. Carver. If not, that's okay. We'll do April Ricks. This is people versus April Ricks, ticket number P1336646. Count one, expired place. Count two, no valid registration certificate. And count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Carver. You're muted, Ms. Carver.
You
You're
muted, Ms. Carver.
Sorry, Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Ricks. Ms. Ricks would like to set this for a trial date. She is in the process of getting insurance and registering her vehicle.
Are you
I'd
sure
ask,
the office to dismiss it?
I know, Your Honor, but she tried to set a date for all three tickets, but they said it was too early to set the date. So she really wants to fight all three of the tickets, and
But
I
the
would.
other tickets are already in default.
Can you set aside the defaults? That's what I was getting at, is to ask you to set aside the defaults. Because that's what she really wanted, was a hearing on all three.
You know, when they defaulted.
She can't afford to pay the tickets, and she really wants to try to get them all dismissed. She talked to the officer about it when she got pulled over.
I mean, what it tell me on the ROI?
But, right, for count 2 and 3,
Filing date, April 20th, scheduled for hearing, April 23rd. She- Yeah, April 23rd.
2022.
Yes, May 23rd.
Okay, no objection to setting aside the default. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. And Your Honor, what are the charges?
Expired place, no valid registration.
And it sounds like Ms. Carver, so the people don't object to setting aside the default.
Thank you.
We will reserve room for her to come back with her documents if the court is inclined to adjourn this matter.
And the court will adjourn it.
Thank you.
How about we just set up for a bench trial? That's what she wants to do, set up for a bench trial?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, we'll do that.
And Ms. Carver, when does she expect to get that, in the process of getting her documents?
How soon can the court date be?
The
Ms.
bench
Rick?
trial is gonna be September 21st.
Can you get those? I think that's enough time.
She gonna have-
Already have
And
my
what documents
documents.
does she have today? Ms.
Do you have
Carver?
both of them? Do you have both of them today?
I have my registration.
She can have some insurance by then. I mean, that's the date. It's not gonna change. I'm not gonna try to accommodate her. She's already been given a real solid already, so that's it. Raise your right hand, Ms. Riggs.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, I have insurance
Raise your right
already.
hand, Ms. Riggs. Ms. Riggs, turn your video off, because your connection's not that good.
I already have insurance.
Ms. Riggs, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Turn off your video.
You said yes.
You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Turn your video off, because your connection isn't strong, so maybe if you turn your
You
video
said
off.
turn
we
it
can hear you
off.
better.
I don't know how to. It's nothing on.
You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
So you want me to stop the video? Cause
Yes, stop the video.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial? Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything
No.
of value to waive your right to a jury trial? You understand that by having a bench trial, the court's gonna be a fact finder?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes.
So the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for September 21st at 9 o'clock. You are all set.
Okay. Can I speak to my attorney?
She has some other cases to handle, so you can go back in your, you can maybe go back in your breakout room and wait for her.
You said September.
But here's the thing, September 21st, she's likely to not be the attorney who's going to do your trial, but you definitely can speak to her today.
Okay.
I can speak to you after we are finished with the record.
She's back in the waiting room. You ready on Alexis Reeves?
Yes,
Versus Alexis Reeves, ticket number 741071. Count one, no operator's license on person, ticket number 741070. Count one, disregard red signal. Count two, fail to produce valid insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Attorney Carver.
Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Reeves. Ms. Reeves, can you state your name, please?
Alexis Reeves.
I did discuss the offer with Ms. Reeves. She would like to set this for a trial date so that
Okay.
she has time to get her license. She's almost has her license back, and she's hoping she can get this dismissed if she sets it for a trial date.
Raise your right, you want a bench trial date, Ms. Reeves?
Yes.
Right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, you can put your hand down. You understand that by having a bench trial, the court's gonna continue, you're not guilty. I'm sorry, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date on September 21st at 9 o'clock. You have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, good luck. We just got a few more here. Let's just bring them out. We got Ramon. Wait, we did Ramon. So we just got Alante Daniels. Did you talk to Alante Daniels?
I don't have an offer on Alante Daniels.
We'll do it all record.
I'm ready on Dawkins, Dawkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, but- they're not coming. Okay, they're talking.
But Daniels, I'm not sure about.
This is the people versus Shakita Dawkins, ticket number SP 1211050. Count one, allow another to use license plate, his license plate, even though it's a she, her license plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Carver.
Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Dawkins. Ms. Dawkins, can you state your name, please?
Shakita Dawkins.
Ms. Dawkins would like to enter into the plea. And I know, Your Honor, the recommendations for a 3-month delayed sentence, we'd request that it goes off a record upon payment, if that's possible.
That's no problem. All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Dawkins. You gotta let me know when you raise your hand.
My hand is raised.
Okay. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Carver today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
yes,
You're pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of June 8, 2021, at approximately 11:24 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of 7 Mile and Evergreen in the city of Detroit? Or maybe you weren't there. Was your vehicle, which is a GMC 2002 vehicle, was that at the location of 7 Mile? How about this? On June 8, 2021, did you allow another person, another driver to use your license plate?
Okay, so I have
Just tell me no
no,
explanation. I just need a yes or no. You either did it or you didn't. If you didn't do it, you can go to trial. So did you allow another to use your license plate?
Your
Yes.
Honor, yeah, okay.
Yes? Is that what you said?
yes,
Okay. You're satisfied, Ms. Carver?
Yes,
I'm also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. This is gonna be a 3-month delayed sentence. There's gonna be a fine of $200 that is going to be due on October 19th. If you pay it before then, this will be dismissed.
okay.
and then what kind of car was on that ticket, Your Honor?
So the vehicle, are you a owner of a 2002 GMC vehicle, Ms. Dawkins?
No,
That's yeah. That's probably what the vehicle that got stopped.
That's,
But was your license plate? I don't have it. Like,
I was just wondering if the ticket said the make and model of the vehicle, just for,
it does, but that's probably the vehicle that was stopped.
right, that's what we would like to know.
It was
If
a
that's-
2002 GMC.
That's
She's
all
not
it
the
says,
owner of that vehicle.
right?
So you well.
And they don't have- Well, yeah.
So your next date is still gonna be October 19th, but when you make the payment, you need to call the court and then it can be dismissed.
okay,
Okay, you're all set. Do we have Luke ready? Here, I'm gonna just close out the room because I don't know why Alante Daniels is not coming out.
I don't have an offer on Daniels.
We're gonna figure it all out right here.
Okay, sounds good. Maybe I don't see him on the docket. Maybe that's the problem I'm having too.
Alante Daniels.
Yeah, I don't think he's on the docket.
I don't see him on the docket either.
There's-
Hello?
Yes. Oh, is his name Sterling? Is your name Sterling, Mr. Daniels?
Yes, how you doing?
It's Sterling Daniels.
Oh, okay.
He's on the docket.
I don't have a offer.
Yeah, we're gonna get it all situated right now.
And I don't have written by it.
Yeah, it's Sterling.
Okay. You have it? Okay. I was looking at Redmond too. I thought I had it written.
Redmond is right here, but they're not here.
Oh, She could. Documents here.
All right, this is, so this, one is disregard traffic control device. That's a problem, it's been, which is yours, which is the city. Okay, so, the offer will be failed to display on the license suspended count. I'll dismiss the other ticket of disregard traffic control device.
Okay,
So I'm gonna dismiss that, and there'll be a $200 fine, which I'll probably give you till August 16th to pay it. You wanna take that, Mr. Daniels?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, I see. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Daniels. Oh, let me call it. This is the people versus Sterling Daniels, ticket number SP 1226135, count one, disregard traffic control device. And then ticket number SP 1226154, count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting
Yes.
with Attorney Carver.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Daniels. Mr. Daniels, state your name, please.
Sterling Daniels.
All right,
Mr. Daniels, would you like to enter a plea today?
all right, so Mr. Daniels, the court will dismiss the civil infraction, and then you plead to fail to display. You do wish to take advantage of that, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, put your hand down. You've had opportunity to speak to Ms. Carver, the court, and the prosecutors present, to discuss your case and your rights.
So all you said all I have to do is just pay.
I'm asking, did you have like a conversation with the court, Ms. Carver, the prosecutors all present? Did you have we kind of did on the record, but did you?
Yeah, I had a
have
conversation. I had a conversation with the first public offender in May, and then that was pretty.
I'm just talking about like literally 30 seconds ago. We all talked about what the
Oh
offer
yeah,
was.
yeah.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
All right, you're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Right.
Only that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 7, 2021 at approximately 7:54 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near the location of Chicago Boulevard and the Lodge Service Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
Were you driving 2000? Make sure you say yes or no. Were you driving a 2008 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, I was.
You're satisfied, Ms. Carver?
Satisfied, yes.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display, and you stipulate the proper cause as to the other count to be dismissed.
Yes.
All right, so that's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine that's due on August 16th. Any questions, Mr. Alante?
Yeah. How would I pay that?
You can pay it. There's kiosks around the city, like in Myers or CVS, called DivDat. You can pay it there. You can pay it online. You can look for your name or look the ticket up, or you can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number if you're ready.
I'm ready.
855
855
798
798
1547.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set.